Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to use an alarm clock, unicorn alarm clock. This is especially a favorite for all the girls. So this material is plastic, it's very durable, and the weight is almost equivalent to 300 grams, not more than that. And it has a very good pen hold stand, so you can place this on the table or you can place this near your study rack or whatever, and it has options to hold your pen stand as well when you study. So this is a very good purchase. I got it for around 200 rupees, like almost 2 years back, and I have no complaints ever since. Sometimes what happens is the phone alarms we keep in the phone and other gadgets as well, but they don't ring up if they don't have charge or something. So this is a very good reliable source of alarm clock. Like how we used to get up, I didn't want to give anything which is like a gadget to kids, so that for their waking up in the morning. So I just want them to rely upon a simple alarm clock. That is the reason I've got this specifically for kids, and it's a very good purchase. And for people who don't know how to operate, there are two buttons here. The button here, when you move the side button, it is to move the clock handle. This button is for the clock handle, and this is the alarm. Like if you want an alarm at 6 o'clock, for example, I'm moving the clock handle. Okay, let's put 1 minute to 7. So if I put the clock handle to, so this is the alarm handle button. So when do you want alarm? So for example, if I say I want an alarm at 7 o'clock, let's say I put an alarm and I have to switch this on. If you see this button, it's not on. Okay, you have to turn this side. So this is the sound it comes when it tries to ring up. Okay, and it's a very good, and you close it with this. I just kept this open for demonstration purpose, so you close this with this. And it's very good in this modern era, and this alarm clock is so good, and it will help the kids to get up without any gadgets, and you can get up and you have to get up and you have to switch off the alarm. So it's like this. Okay, and it's a very good purchase, very good value for money, and it's unicorn, so especially girls will love it. And I had really liked this purchase, and it's going on successfully for the past 2 years. You need to keep changing the battery if the battery goes off, that you need to replace. I hope this is useful. Thank you.